talk to the camera. So yeah, I started a YouTube channel to show you the astrophotography that happens here and really see how I can improve over the time. I kind of want to start this whole channel thing with showing you my setup, which of course is going to change over the time, and then maybe we will have time to show you some first results that I got. The observatory in this configuration is now running only for a couple of weeks. It took a very long time to build it, because I did most of it myself. Once everything was done, there were a couple of electrical problems to solve, and yeah, it took its time because I wrote my bachelor thesis parallel to this whole process, so it really stretched the build out for almost 1.5 years. But now everything seems to work, and I'm really excited to show you what I've done so far, and maybe you can learn something about it and get some inspiration if you decide to build like your own observatory. Okay, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, this is a roll of roof type of observatory. Here we'll just open it, and as you can see, it's very easy to move. It basically uses a mechanism of a garage door. The mount that I use is a Losmandy G11, and I have Go 2 installed. It's called Gemini. It works quite nice actually. I had some problems, but it feels like most of them are fixed by now, and yeah, it's a great mount. And I have my major imaging setup here is the Space Cat from Williams Optics, and my camera that I use is the ASI 6000 with a 7-position filter wheel here, and I guide by using the ASI 120 MC. So it's a color camera, but it works really nice, and this is the ZWO mini guide scope. The second telescope that I'm using is the Celestron Edge HD 800. Actually, this was my first telescope that I ever got for myself. Right now it's in visual configuration. I'm planning on using this for galaxy season, but I need to get the reducer, and right now that's not installed, but it's definitely on the list. I also have a C11 for planetary imaging, but it needs some repairs, so right now I will also use my 8-inch telescope for the planets. In this area here I just have most of my stuff, some filters and things for visual use. There are most of the packages, and yeah, you always need some tools just for the easy fixes. Yeah. Also, I have surveillance installed. There is one camera inside that's always on and will send me an alert if there's something going on, and I also have cameras outside just to give me an idea what's happening here, and also to observe the mount when I'm not here, because most of the time I will stay inside and just do the telescope, do the imaging itself, because yeah, I'm a millennial, why not? So yeah, the process to get started is quite simple. I just turn the mount on, turn the USB ports on for the camera and guiding camera, and then I turn my DU heaters on, and that's it. Now the cameras are connected to the laptop, and I just need to open the roof, and that's it. The rest can be done from home, as it should be. I want to install a garage door opener that's automatic and can be used over the internet, but I'm not quite sure how to do that. in the moment to make it as cheap as possible and also functional. And yeah, we will see about that in the future, but you can just subscribe and you probably will see some solution to this problem, which isn't really a problem, just me being lazy.